Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Chemistry Topical MCQs. Today we are going to look at separation of mixtures, part 1. So please follow me and we start our quiz straight away. Which of the following substances will melt on heating strongly? Sodium chloride. Which one of the following is a method that can be used to separate a mixture of potassium chloride and charcoal? Filtration. The best method that can be used to separate a mixture of alcohol and paraffin. Distillation. Which of the following is not a mixture? Water. The process used to obtain pure water from seawater is called distillation. The pigment of a green leaf can be separated by chromatography. Which of the following is an alloy of lead? Solder. Steel is an alloy of carbon and iron. Which of the following is miscible with water? ethanol. Which of the following pairs of metals is used to make solder? Tin and lead. An alloy of solder is made of tin and lead. Which of the following mixtures is best separated by chromatography? Ink. Which of the following substance sublimes? Iodine. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate can be separated by crystallization because the two salts have different solubility. Brass is an alloy of aluminium and copper. Which of the following mixtures is best separated by using a separating funnel? Oil and water. Which of the following substances can be purified by sublimation? Aluminium chloride. The main component of air are oxygen and nitrogen. Which of the following gases are removed fast before air is liquefied? Water vapor and carbon dioxide. Thank you very much for attending to Chemistry Topical MCQs. We have been looking at separation of mixtures part 1. Let us meet in separation of mixture part 2. That will still be Chemistry Topical MCQ. For now, I say bye. Let us meet in other Chemistry Topical MCQs.